Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano ADA. So in the last video I told you that this wave 4 or wave Y should be finished. Yeah, and it played out perfectly. So currently we can make a case that this is reversing to the downside in a final fifth wave that will make a low below 40.3 cents and then also below 38.5 cents. So overall, the Elliott wave count here really since the low here has followed perfectly. Yeah, we reached wave 4 target here. Then we followed a 5-wave impulse to the downside. This as a triangle, all good. Up here we made the case for the triangle could be finished, expected another 5-wave move down, of which we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly now 5 down. This is sort of primary expectation. We can very nicely count this as a WXY pattern, as a corrective move. It has moved a little bit. But yeah, in the last video we talked about the target for that wave Y, talked about the wave W length, that this would be the 45.5 cent level. We reached 45.3, I think pretty accurate. Yeah, that's the equality projection between W and Y. In a sense, I also told you that we really can't move much higher here in the wave 4. It, to be honest, is already stronger than it should normally be. Yeah, normally you would not expect the wave 4 to retrace more than 50%. We actually reached the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So we need to be a bit careful here. It could be that this is not a wave 4 anymore and we're already doing something different. So we need to be on the lookout for possibly a bullish scenario here. However, at the moment it is adhering still, it hasn't violated any rules. So we can currently count this as a wave 4 ending and now the wave 5 to start. We already broke below that previous support and we are now following down, and the next good indication that we're heading down lower would be 41.7 cents if that gets broken. And that will also at the same time be the next support. So I wouldn't be surprised to get there now. In a fifth wave, we now need to move down in 5 waves here in the bearish scenario. Now we can consider alternatively the case the low was already in. Yeah, all we needed, what I told you, all we needed was to break out for the triangle to the downside, make 5 waves down. We can count 5 waves down here. We could say the overall low is in, but for that to happen, very clearly, so this is the bearish scenario. This is primarily what I expect to play out. This is what I've told you since May, basically what's going to happen. To fulfill this scenario entirely, I would want a low below 38.5 cents. I think that would be healthy for ADA. Now, can we make a case for a truncated low where the low was already in here at 40.3 cents? Yes, we could make a case. What needs to happen for that? To consider a bullish scenario, what would need to happen? We can count this as a leading diagonal where you also have overlapping waves. Then we are now in a wave 2 pullback. In this wave 2 pullback, we must not go below 40.3 cents. In the next move, we need to overlap with this yellow wave 1. No, sorry, with this white wave 1. We need to go above 46 cents. If we get above 46 cents, we can, I'll put it on the chart here, we can consider a more bullish option. Above 46, I would seriously consider that the low was in already, and I'll make you aware then. But this would be the price confirmation I would want. Until then, we're heading further lower, and that's my expectation. All right, so hopefully that was clear. Hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.